All right, so 2017, the beginning of the year, always means that there are tax changes. Now, 28th, 29th of February, if we're in a leap year, is the end of the South African tax year. What this means is that on the 1st of March, every single year, there are usually new tax rules. Now, President Zuma has, in fact, signed some of those changes into effect, and so you can click on the link below, it's in the comments, to find out a little bit more about what will happen. But some highlights are things like capital gains tax. Now, this is the tax on selling an asset. Now, presently, it's at an inclusive rate of 13.3%. It's going up to over 16. That means that if you are selling an asset and you're making R1 million profit after your rebates and all that kind of stuff, you'd have to give over 16% of that to the government in terms of tax. So that really changes things in terms of how we want to go about selling our assets or transferring those assets to other people. Things like donation tax are going to come under scrutiny, and of course, the biggest one that we all know, medical aid and gap cover. Now, this is a bit of a bone of contention for a lot of people, but there are rumors in the mill, as discussed by the Council for Medical Schemes and the government, to limit the amount of gap cover one can claim. Just a quick review, you can go and find our content on gap cover with our channel. However, gap cover covers the amount that your medical aid doesn't pay. So they pay a rate, that's medical aid, and then anything above that up to 500%, your gap cover usually covers. Now, the government wants to step in and say, gap cover is only allowed to cover 150,000 Rand per person. What does this mean for you as the consumer? This means that you are going to be having to negotiate with your specialist. This should drive down the costs, which will take pressure off medical schemes, off gap covers, and the prices shouldn't be going up so ridiculously each year. Because as you know, in the last 5 to 6 years, it has gone up immensely, the cost of medical aid, private healthcare. It's getting out of control. So click on the link below, get yourself in the know, get in touch with your financial advisor. They should have all the answers for you, and they should, of course, be in touch to let you know how things are going to change for 2017-2018 tax season.